Let me ask you a question and let's have a little fun about the last 4 or 5 videos that I've made here on the channel, which have been product reviews. Out of these products that I've reviewed, which one is your favorite as far as the sales page goes? Cashed, revealed, $19.7 billion company pays us to copy and paste online. 100% done for you, 2-click system, gets free buyer traffic, which makes us $1,000 per day. Storm, the $39.9 billion breakthrough, pays us for copying and pasting. Brand new copy and paste app pockets us $25 to $50 every 5 minutes. No tech skills, no extra expenses, no BS. Injecto, new for 2021, the world's first ever cash injecting system. 3-click cash injection system forces $20 payments into our accounts 12 times or more per day. Scroll and Profit, the world's first pay-to-scroll system that pays us for scrolling through your favorite websites. Little known $337 billion loophole pays me $67.39 an hour for scrolling through our favorite websites. Free Loophole Profits. We do this once and get paid over and over again. Hey, we found a free loophole inside a tiny $8 million company that quietly makes us a passive $193.74 per day without software, without apps, without spending a dime. Now that we've gone through those sales pages, let's take a look at the discount. And now let's vote on which one has the best discount for doing nothing other than exiting off the screen. Is it Free Loophole Profits? Wait, claim $2 off, usually $8.88, now only $6.88 one time. Claim my discount now. Oh, note, the timer has expired, but that doesn't matter. Because when you click on the button, wait, your $2 discount, use coupon code loophole2, still applies if you click here, because the discount doesn't expire for another 12 minutes and 48 seconds. Or the discount you get for scrolling profits for simply exiting off the screen. Wait, you've qualified for an instant $3 discount. Regular price $190, strike through today, only $14. Injecto, new for 2020, by exploiting 5 platforms worth $139.07 billion. The more we do this, the more we get paid. Exit off the screen. Wait, click the button below to claim your $2 discount. Storm, the brand new copy and paste app, pockets us $25 to $50 every 5 minutes. No BS. Exit off the screen for a $4 discount. And even better, you can add a special one-time offer to place your Storm account on a faster server. Not the slow server that they're going to sell you, but after you get your $4 discount, you can even get access to a faster server that they've been waiting to sell you for $9.95. Cash, the 100% done for you 2-click system that gets free buyer traffic. Exit off the screen and get it for a $14 one-time discounted price. So let me know in the comments which one's your favorite. Cashed, Storm, Injecto, Scroll and Profit, or Free Loophole Profits. I do look forward to seeing your answer in the comments to that, but I want to let you know that there is a link in the description to a free action plan over at Taking Action Online. Look, I'm not here to tell you this is going to be easy, but it is simple. Click the link in the description, head over to Taking Action Online, the free action plan, the first 12 steps, 100% for free. Getting started, 10 lessons, choosing a niche, 14 lessons. Step 2, 4 lessons about building a website. Step 3, 6 lessons, social media, passive traffic. Step 4, investing in yourself. Step 5, building your foundation. Step 6, creating valuable content. Step 7, create a valuable lead magnet. Step 8, email marketing magic. Step 9, how and where to get free traffic. Step 10 lessons on optimizing your website and how that equals sales. Step 11, YouTube traffic authority. And step 12, taking things to the next level. All of these steps, the first 12 steps in the action plan, are 100% for free. And it is all you need to get started in the simple process of building a real online business. Link in the description. Click on that link, head over, check out the free 12-step action plan, and I'll talk to you later.